Remember, what are the three types of forces? External. Look at the problem. Look at the problem. Any external forces? Yes. Where? Here and here. Correct? 3 and 2. Okay, that's settled. Any internal force? Sorry. There's no applied force. There's no external force. 3 and 2 is the one. Internal force. So it's mg. Yeah? So last but not least, reaction force. How is the body supported? It is supported here and here. Analyze each support individually. So look at A. You must indicate X, Y, and moment. Reference frame. Reference frame. Can move in the X? Cannot, right? So RAX. Can move in the Y? No. RAY. Look, settle, can rotate. So no reaction force. Go to B. B is a ball. Can move in the X? No. No. So there must be a RBX. Yeah? Can move in the Y? Yes. Good. So this completes the free body diagram. You draw this with the respective numbers and alphabets. You get 2 marks. Yeah? Then next thing you know, definitely draw this for what? How to find the unknowns. Yeah? Correct. So you must already picture your steps ready. You draw free body diagram, there must be unknowns. Of course, the question is going to ask you, find me all the unknowns. And most of the time, or at all times, it will be 3 unknowns. Because why? You only learn 2D. So you only have 3 bullets in your pocket. What are the bullets? Next thing you will write that for the body to be in equilibrium, summation Fx must be 0, summation Fy must be 0, summation moment must be 0. By writing that, the marker know that you know your stuff. So you get marks. Yeah. This is the 1 mark. Of course. You see, this one you depend on yourself. Whatever follow next, you don't have to think. What did I teach you? 3 bullets. 3 unknown, right? I told you to use the first bullet. Which one to use? I told you to use this one first. Use where? Can you remember? Most. Use at the point where it contains the most unknown. Where? Here. Correct? Use it there. Why? Because when you use it there, RAX, RAY goes to 0. True? So 1 unknown. This one goes, let me demonstrate. You see the solution, but anyway, summation moment about A must be 0. So what do you have? The 2 kilonewton goes to the reference point, right? So 0. Yeah? RBX about A, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise minus RBX times the distance given is 0.8. Good. Next, 3 kilonewton. This one. This one, clockwise or anti-clockwise about A? Clockwise. So it's plus 3 times 0.7 equals to 0. And there you have it. RBX equals to what? Whatever things is there. Clear? So, RBX down. This one down. What are you left with? This and this. That's all. So what are the remaining things that you need to do? Summation Fx must be 0. Then look at your free body diagram. RAX plus RBX. Any more? No more? Put 0. Summation Fy must be 0. Look at the y direction. RAY minus 2 minus 3 equals to 0. So what do you have? You have found RAY. Substitute. No need to substitute. RBX you found here, right? Put it in. Then you have it. You get how many marks? 12 marks already. Out of 20, Easy? Yeah. So I want you to go easy. Easy, right? No. Do you agree that it's easy?
Yes.
So you must have the confidence. There's no other way to solve fraction form. This is the only way. So if you understand what I'm saying, plus you practice with your solution, I'm sure you can tackle next Tuesday's paper. Yeah? So you realize question 4, even though it's 20 marks, almost 12 over 20, almost what? 60%. Well, testing you on what you're supposed to know. Then the next one, just like normal, the next one, of course, will test you something beyond or make it more difficult. Understand the solving logic? Okay. So, of course, you see, part C, they make it slightly more difficult. How to make it more difficult? Throw it fully, rotate the thing. But let me assure you, the way to solve is still the same. Why? Let's see how to solve this roughly. This is the free body diagram. Yeah? This point, this point, this point, and the 2CG, right? So same thing. Free body, you just need the free body diagram in order to continue your steps. So you must analyze again external force. Any external force. There is external force. No, there's no external force. So next, internal force. So same internal forces there. The last one is reaction force. Look at joint A. Same thing. You have these two forces. Agree? And last but not least, look at C, because it is connected here, right? It's a pin joint, right? So you will have your X and Y as well. Because it's a pin joint, can move in the X, cannot. Can move in the Y, cannot, but can rotate. So this is the complete free body diagram. But you realize that, oh, this is R, A, X, R, A, Y. These are the 1, 2, and 3, is it? And this is the R, C, Y, R, C, X. So now, what do you realize? Oh, 4 unknowns. Can solve? Cannot. So, the question wouldn't come out in such a way that you cannot solve, right? So there must be a reason. Where can you find another equation to relate these two unknowns? That's why you're going to look at the pulley, right? So you're going to draw the free body of the pulley. Yeah? Imagine you're the pulley now. The rope is pulling you, right? So you know that it is what? F. And the property of pulley, you know that equal and opposite. Yeah. True? How is the pulley supported? At point C. At point C. This point C is shared between two bodies. This is C, this is C. It's shared, it's the same, and if you recall what I taught you, the forces must be equal and opposite because it is the same point. This is the same point. Put them together, internal force must be 0. If not, the whole thing shouldn't be attached together. It must be in equilibrium, right? So, if you apply, if you already assume here and here, this direction, this direction. So the same point must be opposite, right? So that when you put it back, it's equal to 0. So it must be opposite. So this is RCX and this is RCY. Clear? Yeah? Okay. So based on this, summation fx equals to 0, summation fy equals to 0. What do you realize? You realize that, oh, summation fx equals to 0, I will have what? F minus RCX equals to 0, right? Summation fy, I will have F minus RCY equals to 0, right? So in the end, we know that RCX is F, RCY is F as well. True? Do you agree? Yeah. Just on this free body. Summation fx, F positive minus RCX equals to 0. Summation fy, F minus RCY equals to 0. You bring it over, you realize that RCX is F, RCY is F, meaning they are equal, right? So put back to your solution here, F, F. Yeah? Do you understand? Oh, so these are the same same unknown F. So what happened now? 3 unknowns only. How to solve? Exactly what I told you. 3 bullets, summation fx, summation y, summation moment. Use the summation moment where? Here. You apply here, you can find F immediately. After that, how to find RAX, RAY? Somehow all the forces in the X equals to 0. Somehow all the forces in the Y equals to 0. Solve what? Simultaneous equation. Okay? Yeah. So this is what MST is all about. Don't worry. going, as I said, to help you during these few days until next Tuesday. I will send you the solution.
Through email, which one, the poly email or personal email?
All the emails that you have given me,
Okay.
yeah, I'll send it. You guys have given me the